The state of Wisconsin is nearing 500,000 COVID-19 vaccinations so far. While there are still concerns over the vaccine, a local group is doing its part to help inform communities of color about it.
Sean Gallagher shares more about this effort to help marginalized communities feel more comfortable about the vaccine.
Communities of color have plenty of questions when it comes to concerns over the COVID-19 vaccine, and rightfully so. The Black Health Coalition of Wisconsin is doing its best to answer those questions to make those communities feel more comfortable in their decision regarding the vaccine.
I don't particularly trust it.
Pastor James Boyd is skeptical of the COVID-19 vaccine. He says that view is shared by many in the African-American community.
Historically, we haven't always benefited from things that they told us we had to take. That plays a major role in why I'm skeptical about doing or taking the vaccine for COVID.
Feelings like Boyd's are bearing out in the numbers. So far, Milwaukee County vaccinated close to 30,000 white people compared to only 3,300 black people.
We know that there is a racial disparity just after several weeks in who is receiving this vaccination, and we will address this.
I want an informed community so they can make the best decisions for themselves and their families.
PATRICIA McManus is the president and CEO of the Black Health Coalition of Wisconsin. For the last 2 months, they've been running the Milwaukee Black Immunization Project, an effort to help the African-American community feel they can trust the healthcare system when it comes to the COVID-19 vaccine.
But how people feel that they're not treated well day to day in the healthcare system. So why should they all of a sudden trust something as big as this, obviously? And of course, not only Tuskegee, but other things that have happened in the past relative to the healthcare system many people in our community just does not trust it.
200 people have gone through weekly sessions held by the immunization project so far. McManus hopes those 200 people share it with people who trust them, and word spreads so the community can make decisions about the vaccine that's best for them.
I trust that people can make valid decisions for themselves if they get the right information and they trust who is giving the information.
The Black Health Coalition of Wisconsin holds these sessions every Tuesday and Thursday. We'll have information on how you can get involved over at tmj4.com. Just look for this story. In Milwaukee, Sean Gallagher, TMJ4 News.